from class Inter. Today my topic under presentation is the reactions of S-blank element. First of all, why the elements undergo the reactions due to their uh, due to their ionization, low ionization energy, and highly electropositive positivity. They can easily lose their valence electron. Valence electron. Due to their low ionization energy and high electropositivity, they can easily lose their valence electron and become positively charged. So first group alkali metals oxygen. First they react with oxygen. We have some reactions O2 alkali metals. When alkali metals react with the oxygen, they form oxide, metal oxide. When they react with the oxygen, the alkali metals form alkali alkali metal react with the oxygen to form oxides. When they react with the element, when when oxygen react with the lithium, it forms and this oxide is a normal oxide. Normal oxide, which means oxidation state is -2. And other element, sodium. When oxygen reacts with the sodium, it forms sodium oxide and sodium peroxide. This type of oxide is a peroxide. It means oxidation state -1. And other remaining elements of 1A are alkali metals react with the oxygen to form superoxide. Superoxide, it means oxidation state 1 upon 2. Oxidation state of these type of elements is compounds is 1 upon 2. When the oxygen react with the 2A second A elements, it means alkaline earth metals. When oxygen react with the alkaline earth metals, they again form oxide, alkaline metal, alkaline earth metal plus oxygen to form oxides, metal oxides. But first three elements, beryllium, magnesium, and calcium forms normal oxide, which means oxidation state is -2. And the remaining elements like uh, strontium, and barium form superoxide. which means oxidation state is -1. Or other elements are other we have other element which is uh, when halogen react with the alkali metal to form metal halide halides, right? Lithium plus uh, alkali metals, it means which is denoted by X2, they form L two L lithium oxides, lithium oxide. When they react with the halogens, halogen react with the halogen react with the second elements like magnesium plus X2 to form magnesium oxide, magnesium halide. This is the first elements, alkali metals with alkali metals, and here this is alkaline earth metal, alkaline earth metal. And when they react with S block elements, they react with the compound hydrogen, they form hydroxide of the when they react with the water.